done before dark. Shouldn't take long to stick it on. Put the steering box on, pause y'all, and get set up. The sun's gonna mess us up. Spacer back on. Back away. One of y'all want to come start one of these bolts for me? Let's see if I can get it. We'll get them off. Did you see what I was doing? A little bit, maybe? We'll get them started, and I'll take them out one at a time, put some blue Loctite on them. Bear with me. That training line's tight on top of that deal, with that cap being extra thick. Let's get up here and look at that. Let me polish and figure this out. Leave the caps on and on everything until you get this thing where you want it. Let's see here. Flats all the way on the top. Let me back y'all up. Y'all know I like close shots. Too close most times. Get you straight. Is that better? Let's look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel's dead nut straight right there, so we're just gonna move the tires to match that. That way we know we're in the center of the box. That's a tighter fit. That's it. Can y'all even see what the hell I'm doing? I can't see because my phone's got glare on it from the sun on my camera. Let me grab another wrench. hear that old woman? She's been yelling at that old man for 20 years over there. Oh shit. I don't want to turn it. Just make sure our line's still lined up down there. Yep. So we're dead center there. I'm gonna jack it up and get the tires off the ground where we can get the pitman arm on there without moving the steering wheel, which we got our mark to go off of, but I'm just saying. Let me pause you. I know I should probably do all that before I push play, but alright. Let's see how this is gonna go. Should be close, it wasn't that far off. Probably not take that off yet. Let me figure out this cluster. I'll wash this pitman on. Let me get it cleaned up. Guys, got it bolted on. Left the caps on everything. Steering wheel is setting straight, so we're just going to clock the tires to the box. Get the pitman arm and clean that up. I got a brand new one of these, but ain't nothing wrong with this one. Let's see where this is going to set. Our marks are still lined up. It's a little bit off, but I think they did that with the marker. Actually could go back the other way a little bit. Let me stick the drag link on there and see where we're at with the tires. It was close before, it wasn't off that much, so it should be pretty close right there. Tire turned a bit. I've always went with the pitman arm being straight when the wheel was straight, but this one's at an angle. That could have been where I was messing up. Every one I've ever did was straight. Look, I'm gonna get the new one I got in there in the box and put on there, and make sure we don't have something going on screw with these locks. I got this pitman arm with the long arm kit that already had the drop on it, so I don't use it. We'll pull that one off and stick this one on, see if we see anything different. I doubt it, but I just want to do it for my own curiosity. Same thing. Alright, we're gonna put the new one on there, leave it on there, and see what we got when we put it back together. Alright, we got her on there. Now we need to adjust our tires. Turned in just a bit, just a little bit. I had it pretty close. Shit, man, you can't even hardly tell. Shit, that's pretty damn good right there. My wheel was off because of that box was wore out. And plus when you drive it, it's going to change a little bit and you'll have to do some fine tuning. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, that's dead nuts on. That's like I was telling y'all, when you come out of the woods, you always watch your wheel. If it's turned over here all of a sudden, there's something going on. Mine was like that. On the way home, it was sideways, and it was usually pretty close to straight. So there is something broken in that steering box. So I didn't adjust anything, and it's right back to where the tires are straight. The wheels are straight. But, that's good. I'll have to continue this video tomorrow. I got to get that return line. Go down here. I'll leave the plugs on there and everything, and I'll pull these back out one at a time and put some blue Loctite on them. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll have to continue tomorrow, guys. Be 2 seconds for y'all, but it'll be tomorrow for me. I figured we'd go ahead and get this shock off here at least. Yeah, we're gonna have to drill that out. Go get the shock and see what we got. Well, it ain't a damn shock, but y'all know what I mean. Been a long day, been a long week at work. Yeah. We might do some spacing and stuff like that, you know. But that's good though, because we got a good inch and a half. We can move it in or out. So anyway, I want to get all the steering box on, get all that cycling, and then we'll make the lines, put the cylinder on it, and cycle it and see how it does. Like I said, tomorrow I'll get that steering line, and I'll just tack it on this video. It won't be Little 2-second bump. Alright guys, it's the next day. I've been messing around and looking how this is gonna go. And we're not gonna be able to finish it up till next week. I just made another parts order. I think that'll go good right there. I got the shock off. I don't know if I put that in the video or not. I forgot where I left off, but I ordered a power steering cooler and a filter to go on it, so I'm gonna wait till that comes in. I may change my mind, but we're gonna put the cooler up in here. It's a radiant style cooler and a little filter, little screw-on filter like will go on a snapper deal, about 3 inches round, 3 inches long. We're gonna mount up under here too, and that way we can filter our oil a little bit. Might add a little bit of life to it because we're gonna be moving a lot of oil now compared to what it used to. I mean, it'll be the same amount in the reservoir, but there'll be a lot more in the lines and in the cylinder and that cooler. Anyway, I want to make a quick video to end this video. I'll get the cooler in and we'll go another round on it. I might make a video Sunday putting that cylinder on, go ahead and getting that mounted up. We may do that, but we won't be able to finish it and test it or nothing until I get the cooler. Anyway guys, y'all have a good one. We'll talk at you later.